Sales performance management, or SPM, is a crucial part of any organization that relies on sales teams to drive revenue. Ensuring that sales reps are properly compensated, motivated, and aligned with company goals is essential for long term success. However, managing incentive compensation manually using spreadsheets or outdated systems can lead to inaccuracies, disputes, and wasted time. This is where Performio comes in. Performio is a powerful sales performance management and incentive compensation management platform designed to help businesses automate and optimize their commission tracking, performance analytics, and incentive plans. It provides real time visibility into sales earnings, integrates with major CRMs, and ensures compliance with industry regulations. With businesses constantly evolving and sales teams working in fast paced environments, having a transparent, automated, and scalable commission management system is no longer optional. It's a necessity. This guide will guide you through Performio's key features, benefits, and why it's an ideal choice for modern sales organizations. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the automated commission calculation and tracking. One of Performio's most valuable features is its ability to automatically calculate commissions based on real time sales data. Businesses no longer need to rely on manual spreadsheets or error prone calculations. Performio ensures that all commissions are accurately calculated and recorded in real time. This eliminates errors, reduces commissions disputes, and ensures timely and accurate payouts to sales teams. Another key feature is the real time performance dashboards. Performio provides sales reps and managers with interactive dashboards that display key performance indicators, including quota attainment, commission earnings, and sales trends. These dashboards help sales professionals track their progress and adjust their strategies accordingly. This increases motivation and transparency, allowing sales reps to see exactly how their performance impacts their compensation. Another key feature is the AI driven analytics and forecasting. Performio uses advanced AI powered analytics to help organizations analyze historical sales data and predict future sales trends. This allows managers to optimize compensation structures and align incentives with revenue goals. This helps businesses make data driven decisions, adjust compensation plans proactively, and improve overall sales efficiency. Another key feature is the customizable compensation plans. Every business has unique incentive structures, so Performio allows organizations to create fully customizable compensation plans that include tiered commissions, bonuses, SPIFs, and other performance based rewards. This ensures that businesses can design sales compensation plans tailored to their specific goals and industry standards. Another key feature is the seamless integration with CRM and ERP systems. Performio integrates seamlessly with Salesforce, HubSpot, NetSuite, SAP, Microsoft Dynamics, and other CRM/ERP platforms. This ensures that sales performance data is automatically updated without requiring manual input. This improves workflow efficiency by reducing manual data entry and ensuring data consistency across multiple platforms. Another key feature is the compliance and audit ready reporting. Regulatory compliance and financial transparency are essential for sales compensation management. Performio provides detailed audit trails, approval workflows, and compliance tracking features to ensure that all incentive payments align with industry regulations and company policies. This reduces financial and legal risks, making it easier to track, audit, and justify sales compensation structures. So, why is Performio a great choice for sales performance management? Performio is a market leading solution for businesses looking to streamline and automate their sales incentive and performance management processes. It is designed to reduce administrative work, eliminate human errors, and provide real time insights into commission earnings and sales performance. One of the key advantages of Performio is its transparency and accuracy. Many companies struggle with commission disputes and unclear payout structures, leading to frustrated sales teams. Performio solves this issue by providing a clear breakdown of commissions, real time performance tracking, and automated calculations. This not only builds trust between management and sales reps, but also ensures that salespeople stay motivated. So, compliance and audit readiness are critical in sales performance management, especially for large enterprises. Performio provides detailed reporting tools, audit trails, and approval workflows to ensure that all sales compensation processes remain transparent and compliant with financial regulations. So basically, Performio is a feature rich, automated, and scalable sales performance management platform that helps businesses optimize their incentive compensation processes. So, if you're looking for a way to streamline your sales performance management, reduce administrative headaches, and gain better insights into sales performance, Performio is the right tool for the job. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.